Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Bitcoin breakdown series. As you know, it's brought to you by the Cryptocurrency Alliance. They're the ones bringing you the content, allowing us to get on here every day and work with you guys. As always, guys, I'm your host, Dave Rodriguez. I'm one of the head trainers here inside of the Alliance community where we do all of our analysis. I want to give a quick shout out to everyone who is watching the video today. We definitely appreciate you guys showing up every day, supporting us. We want you guys to mash that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on those alerts if you haven't already, guys. We drop content nonstop every day, 7 days a week for you guys. Some way longer than others because those days need that because there's a lot more going on in the market. You guys know sometimes, and most times, less is more. We don't trade every day because we don't feel a need to. So we'll let you guys know what we do. A quick rundown of what goes on inside the videos for the newbies out there. Since Bitcoin's king, we do spend a lot of our time doing analysis to see where we think that will go next based on support and resistance levels, trend lines, everything else that we use inside of the Alliance. We share most of that with you right here on the channel, so stay tuned for that. We take all this information, we gather it, and we use it to make educated trades, very good risk-reward ratio trades. When an opportunity presents itself, we fire away every single time. We don't hesitate. That's one thing you guys will enjoy here inside of the Alliance. And not only do we cover Bitcoin, but we're also going to evaluate some of the other charts that I see setting up for potential breakouts. Breakout trades is what most of the stuff that we take. We look for support, we look for resistance, we look for those breakouts. Last but not least, guys, we will be covering fundamentals daily. Not every single day because this is a technical channel, but we will be covering fundamentals, sometimes multiple different articles. We won't be diving too deep into them unless we really feel a need to, but we want to make you aware that the articles are there, the situations are happening, the partnerships, whatever the case may be. Because, guys, the only way to be a successful trader is to be plugged in to be plugged into all the right information, websites, Discord channels, Telegram groups, whatever you guys have. Stay plugged in. Make sure you're listening to the right people and not just some fancy gurus. Stay plugged into the right charts. Stay plugged into the right positive or negative feedbacks, wherever you guys get your timeline stuff at. So... as you guys know, we have a bunch of rules we follow here inside the Alliance. We follow a certain set of rules, and we go from there. We are going to be giving away those 3 trading rules, those 3 trading secrets, along with our ebook. It's going to be inside that ebook, guys. We put that together just for you guys here inside of this YouTube channel. It's called the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It's got a lot of useful information about exchanges, where to find them, how to use them. And top it all off, guys, our 3 main strategies: how we find our tokens, how we search for our tokens, what we look for when we're searching for our tokens, how we place the trades, where we place the trades. All this stuff is right there inside of the ebook, guys, available to you guys here in just a minute. So I'm not going to waste a whole lot more time. Want to dive right in. First topic of the day is basic attention token. I think as of today, I think the date, the actual announcement that came out today, let's just see. In a Twitter announcement only minutes ago, the San Francisco-based cryptocurrency company, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase Pro, has announced that it successfully added basic attention token onto its platform. Deposits of a digital asset will begin today, November 2nd at 1 p.m. Given the fact that the exchange is based in California, we can assume this time is specific time, GMT -7. The tweet by the exchange went on to announce that traders can only deposit back into their trading accounts but cannot place or fill orders. Order books will remain in transfer-only mode for at least 12 hours. So, guys, there was an announcement that came out a little while ago. I think it says somewhere around 1 p.m. Saturday afternoon, they would be able to transfer in and out and officially be traded. We announced this last week. We told you guys that was a good time to buy these tokens. We also announced the other 4 that were not on the platform that were already being, the custody part, the custodian part, Coinbase custody part. So we told you guys a couple weeks ago to buy this token, and this is what happened. All of this all of this rise is all this is the rumor that it was the next token to be listed on Coinbase Pro. And then we got the dip, and then this is the confirmation here. You got about a 20% raise in profitability here. So if you guys would have took that, congratulations for those who did. But for those bad holders, you can transfer in and out of Coinbase Pro. It will be available on Coinbase app shortly after, just like ZRX was recently. So we'll get rid of that. Goldman Sachs, guys, we saw this yesterday. Goldman Sachs starts registering clients for its new Bitcoin trading desk. This is a very good article by investingblockchain.com. Very good read. You guys should check it out. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts have been waiting with bated breaths for the day that Wall Street player Goldman Sachs finally began bringing clients aboard for its new Bitcoin trading product. Now it appears that day has arrived. Though the trading desk has not arrived, it is reported that the company has already begun signing up a smaller number of clients, which will, while still considering the possibility of launching custody services for crypto assets in the future. So, guys, this is a very interesting read. This is a very good thing for crypto. This is a very positive and bullish article you need to get into. We talked about this a few weeks ago, but now it's actually happening with this and the Backed project and all the other bullish news coming in. We could see the market stabilizing and starting to slowly but surely head up. And that's what we're looking for. I thought this next article was pretty fun. That's why I wanted to bring this in here. Cryptocurrency millionaire wants to build a Utopia in Nevada. So this guy spent $170 million in cash this year. This is this company, Blockchains LLC, to buy a plot of land in the Nevada desert. It's kind of by Reno. He bought insane amounts of property. It said it's somewhere in here, like hundreds of miles of property. And he is going to build a town with schools and commercial districts and production studios. And it's going to cover over 100 square miles. And it's all going to be introduced by the blockchain, or it's all going to be ran on the blockchain introduced by Bitcoin. Let's see, it says here, after his drivers stopped the Polaris on the high desert plateau surrounded by blooming brush, grazing wild horses, Mr. Burns, who was 56, pointed to the highlights of his dream community. And look at all of the pictures they had here. I guess there's not very many pictures. It was a very interesting read. And this guy has spent not only the $170 million on the land, but he's also spent an additional $130 million on, all the stuff he's going to need. He's got like 70 employees. So this is a fun read, guys. I thought it was something really cool. People are excited about blockchain. People are excited about Bitcoin technology, the technology behind Bitcoin. And I thought it was a fun read. You guys might want to check that out. It was in the New York Times. Cryptocurrency millionaire wants to build a Utopia in Nevada. I kind of like the one they're building down in Puerto Rico, but right here at home. So that was pretty cool. I thought we could check that out too. Let's jump over to the charts, guys. We'll start here with fun. We talked about fun last week. We are down. It came down and retested this trend line. I expected a complete bounce after all this activity in here. It was just a sideways motion, big spike down. If you look at it on a 4-hour, you can actually see it was a nice hammer candle reversal. So we took the entries in here, and it spiked down on us. If it comes down a little bit more, but we'll hit a stop loss. But who cares? No big deal. We'll take another trade. I'm already in a few more. But we could see that spike up and out because we did test this trend line. It's staying inside of the area. So it could pop to the upside, and I fully expect it to. I trust the trade until the trade fails me, and this trade has not failed me yet. So we're going to keep on watching that. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing today. So a low weekend volume always sets in on Friday night. It's worse than normal right now. This looks like it's going to continue up as of right this second, but there's kind of mixed signals right now. Because as you know, this was a range right here Bitcoin was in. Popped up, created a new range. And now look. Now it's created a range within a range. Or within a range within two ranges, rather. Now, is this the new range here? Is it going to bounce back and forth? So is it maybe going to tap another top here before it goes down? Kind of like we got a couple of taps here before going up. Are we going to see another tap here? Quick candle up. Maybe a bull trap before falling down to 62.50 again. And then will the range continue? You know, I won't trade this until I see one of these broken. Until it kind of, I guess, if you want to say, breaks out of this range. You know what I mean? So now it's in a range. If it breaks down below 62.50, I'll trade the short range. If it breaks up and above 63.50, I'll start to go long, as we've been talking about. So keep an eye on this, guys. We got a couple of cool things happening. A range. A range. And a range. So keep an eye on that. I think it's very interesting. We might see this sideways thing happen. But once Bitcoin makes a move in one way or the other, we will see more action and get more answers. But I'll drop this down to the 4-hour to see if we can see anything a little more clear. And it's still that stairwell. Not a very powerful one. You know, it's nothing like this where it jumps up, creates sideways action, jumps up again. It's just a steady, slow, upwards tick. The volume is what kind of interests me because it's a little lower than usual when we're talking about Bitcoin and trading. So that's usually a sign for bearish, you know, more bearish momentum. But we'll see what happens. We've just got another candle here on the 4-hour that can go to the upside or the downside. Like I said, let's see what happens with this range. I won't trade inside of it, but I'll trade as soon as it breaks to the outside of it. That's really all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the episode. You know, enjoy your weekend. Those of you that are new, I told you guys we're going to give away those 3 trading secrets inside our free ebook. So take advantage of that. In the description below, you're going to see the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. You'll see that link right there in the description, I think 1 or 2 times. So click that link to get the trading secrets, to get the free ebook. It's not just for newbies. We just mentioned it to the newbies because you guys are watching this video. We're calling you newbies because you're new to the video series. You're not new to trading. So if you're new to this video series, this is why we're mentioning to you guys and calling you newbies. So don't get that confused, guys. Those of you that are you know, kind of experienced traders, you're going to find value inside this book. You're going to learn stuff inside this book. And there's also a walkthrough and an intro and a training series by Cody Sperber himself, the one who's put this all together for us, the one who's made this possible. So don't miss your opportunity to hear what Cody's got to say about the crypto markets and how he's found his fortune and claimed his stake in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys take advantage of it. And I'll see you guys on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.